Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Here I'm going to show you how I prepared this mixed vegetable prawn curry. This is very nice and tasty, especially for idli, dosa and rice. I've prepped up all the ingredients required for this recipe. Here in a pot of water, we have already chopped and added drumstick, potato, plantain. So this has to soak in the water. Now we have already extracted fresh coconut milk, deveined and cleaned prawns, ginger and garlic paste, asafetida, chopped tomato, curry leaves, slit green chilies and shallots. For the masala paste, we have sliced onion, fresh coconut, ginger, garlic, slit green chilies and curry leaves. We also need tamarind extract, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. We need whole spices. All the whole spices will be listed in the description box below this video. We also need cashew nuts. I've also got a detailed written recipe on my blog, friends. So do visit my blog. The blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now here I've heated a wok. Once the wok has heated, I've added coconut oil, and to the coconut oil I've added whole spices: cumin, fennel seeds, peppercorns, star anise, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, little bit of mace, that is javitri, and tiny amount of fenugreek. Once we have fried the spices, I've added fresh coconut, sliced onion, ginger, garlic, chilies, curry leaves. We'll fry all these ingredients. We'll also add cashew nuts. We need to fry all these ingredients. This is going to be our masala paste. So this recipe, you can add prawns or you can add tofu. That's up to you. I'm preparing a veg version and I'm going to also show you the fish version because there are many people in my house who do not consume fish and prawns, and there are my friends and me who love prawns. So I'm going to prepare this prawn curry for me and my friends, and also my family, that's my mother, she does not consume prawns, so I'm going to prepare the veg version for her. Now for this masala paste, all the ingredients have fried well. So I'll remove it on a plate and allow it to cool. In the same wok, there is enough coconut oil in the wok. I'll add the prawns, tiny amount of ginger and garlic paste, tiny amount of chili powder, coriander powder and chili powder. We'll also add salt and fry the prawns for a minute. Just for a minute, not more than that. Once the prawns have fried, I'll remove it from the flame and reserve it. We need to start preparing the veg curry because the prawns has to fry in this coconut oil. It will give a very nice flavor and taste. So once you can see the prawns have turned pale, switch off the flame and remove it. Here my masala has cooled down completely. We'll start grinding this. And the prawns have fried. I'll remove it from the flame. Add all the ingredients to the mixer jar with little water, that is just quarter cup of water, and grind this into a smooth paste like chutney. It should be nice and smooth. Grind this into a smooth paste and reserve it. We'll start preparing the veg curry. Here in a wok I've added coconut oil. Once the coconut oil has heated, I've added sunflower oil. We'll allow the oils to heat up well. At this point I'll add mustard seeds, tiny amount of cumin seeds, dried red chilies and asafetida. We'll allow all these ingredients to splutter. And then we'll add our chopped shallots, chopped tomato, curry leaves and slit green chilies. We need to fry all the ingredients till the shallots turn transparent. Many people who don't wish to eat coconut oil can add sesame oil or peanut oil because that enhances the flavor and taste in any fish curry or any vegetable curry. So these are all very rustic and classic recipes, and this particular curry, I have come up with this recipe and I really like it. So do try it. It's very nice and tasty. Now I've added salt. We need to fry the shallots and tomatoes. Once we add the salt, it will soften faster. So I'll fry all the ingredients. Here you can see the tomato and the onion has fried and it is softened faster once I've added salt. It's on medium flame now. I'll add the harder vegetable first. So I've added the drumsticks. So we need to cook the drumsticks first. because it takes longer period to cook. I've also added chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder here. We need to fry the drumstick in this masala and add water, cover it and cook the drumstick till it softens. So it will take roughly about 5 to 10 minutes to cook till it's soft. So we'll add all the spice powders, water, stir it once, cover it and cook till it's soft. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, all the prep steps, everything is listed on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Here I've added raw banana and potato once the drumstick has cooked. I'll also add extra water, stir it and cook the vegetable till it softens. Now I'm preparing two different curries. One is going to be the prawn curry and the other one is going to be the vegetable curry. If you wish to, you can add tofu at this point to cook along with your vegetables and prepare the vegetable curry, or you can add it to your prawns. So you can prepare two different curries. Here you can see the vegetables have cooked. I'll start preparing the prawn curry now. I've placed that prawns which I fried earlier on very low flame. Now to the prawns I'll be adding the cooked vegetables and half the amount of curry. We'll add the half the amount of ground masala paste to the prawn curry and the other half to the vegetable curry. So this is how we prepare two different curries for non-vegetarians and vegetarians. Now here you can see I've added the curry to the prawns. We'll just stir this once, add the masala paste, and to the other half of the curry I've added the other half of the masala paste. So this is how we prepare for vegetarians and non-vegetarians, friends. Once we add all the ingredients and stir the curry, it has to cook just for 2 minutes from now, 2 to 3 minutes. All that raw flavor from the curry paste should reduce and it should completely mingle with that prawn curry. So it will take roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. If you wish to, you can add salt as per taste, and you could also increase chilies as per your taste preference, because many people will want it to be spicy. So at this point you can add your chilies before it starts to boil, because prawns will get rough and it will become tough if you cook it for a longer period of time. So at this point I've added coconut milk, we have stirred it and we have started to cook the prawn curry for just 2 to 3 minutes from now. Once your curry starts to boil, that's when you add your tiny amount of tamarind pulp and just allow it to boil for just few seconds and remove your curry from the flame. So my mixed vegetable prawn curry is absolutely tasty. It's very nice and creamy. It pairs very well with idli, dosa and rice. Try this type of prawn curry, friends. You'll really enjoy it. And you can also prepare the veg version or with tofu or without tofu. That's up to your preference. I've served my prawn curry. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my other social media handle links, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.